Welcome to the Massachusetts State Lottery training segment on the instant ticket vending machine, also known as the ITVM. The ITVM comes with two keys and a remote. The large key is used to open the ITVM door. The small key is used to open the cash drawer inside the ITVM. And the remote is used to disable the machine. This is particularly helpful if you have any concerns that a customer may be under 18 years of age. If you believe that's the case, all you need to do is point the remote at the ITVM and push the button. When you do this, the display will read, "Must be 18 years of age to play." To enable the machine again, all you need to do is point the remote to the machine, press the button again, and now the display will read, "Please insert money," and you know you're ready for business again. Now I'd like to show you how to open the ITVM door. Place the large key into the lock and turn 1/4 turn in either direction, either to 3 o'clock or 9 o'clock, and pull out the lock cylinder. It's a good idea to put the keys right on top of the ITVM because then you know where they are. And then I'd like you to take the T-handle, insert the T-handle, push in and turn counterclockwise as the door will open. When the door opens, you'll be asked to enter your 4 to 6-digit password. And then press enter. Let's take a look at the inside of the ITVM. Behind this drawer are the bin drawers. The bin drawers hold the instant tickets. The bin drawers are numbered from 1 to 24. These numbers also correspond with the display window. We recommend that you take a voided ticket of the same book and put it in the appropriate window associated with the bin number. The power switch to the ITVM is located at the bottom. Here we have the cash drawer, and that's the small key that we talked about earlier that you would use to open the cash drawer. A nice feature of the 24-unit instant ticket vending machine is the barcode scanner, and we'll talk about that in a little bit on how to use that. We have the paper here for the reports, and most importantly we have the keypad, and we'll be spending a lot of time with the keypad in this session. Let's take a closer look at the keypad. Currently the display on the keypad reads Select Bin. To advance through the main menu on the keypad, simply press the plus key. The plus key will advance you through to show you other options on the main menu. We have Print View Reports, Load Inventory, Unload Bin, Options, Show Bin Inventory, and now we're back to Select Bin. If we wanted to go the other way through the main menu, we'd do the same thing, but we'd hit the minus key. We're currently on Select Bin, and I want to emphasize that Select Bin is home base on the main menu. As you advance through various menus, if you ever get lost on the menu and you want to return to Select Bin, all you need to do is to press the clear key, and that will bring you back home. Select Bin identifies which specific bin we're working with on the ITVM. As you advance through the main menu, you may notice that some of the menu options have a question mark. The ITVM is actually asking you a question at that point. To answer yes, you would press the Enter Yes key. To answer no to the question, you would actually hit the Clear key. We've already talked about one use of the Clear key, and that is to back out of a submenu to return you back to the Select Bin display option, which we called Home Base earlier. The second use for the Clear key is to answer no to a question, and I'll show you instances where you will be doing that. A good idea up here is to write yes next to Enter and no or N next to Clear, just to help remind you that those were the options you would use should you be presented with a question. Occasionally you may hear a beeping sound come from the ITVM. That sound is to let you know that the door is open. If you'd like to stop that sound while working on the machine, simply press the Clear key and the beeping will stop. I'd like to show you how to load instant tickets into the ITVM. But first I need to explain how to program the parameters associated with a specific game ID. What I mean by parameters is actually three things. One is the number of tickets in a full book. The second is the size of the ticket. and the third is the price of the ticket. You'll have to obtain all the parameter information before programming the information into the instant ticket vending machine. The first parameter I mentioned was the number of tickets in a full book. This will vary. Some books have 100 tickets, some have 150, and some have 300. You'll have to check the back of the first ticket in the book and the back of the last ticket of the book to determine how many tickets are in a full book. The first ticket of a book always starts with 000. The last ticket in a book, let's say of a book of 300, would say 299. In case you're noticing the void on these tickets, for demonstration purposes, I'm using voided tickets. The second parameter we mentioned is the size of the ticket. You'll need to obtain the number of inches from perforation to perforation on the ticket. If you're not sure, there's a ruler right here on the ITVM to help you. You can simply line it up, and this ticket is 4 inches long. The third parameter information you'll need to program into the ITVM is the price of the ticket. The price of the ticket can be found in the upper left-hand corner or on the back of the ticket. When you first got your ITVM, a lottery representative was there to help you program the parameters into the instant ticket vending machine. As new game IDs come out, hopefully you'll find this information helpful. Now that you have all the information you need, we're ready to program the parameters into the instant ticket vending machine. What's nice is this information only needs to be entered once for a specific game ID. As you add subsequent books into the ITVM, you don't need to enter the information again. I'm now going to program the parameters of game 84 into the game table. I'm going to select bin number 12 while I do this. I want to make sure that my display is on select bin, and I'm going to enter 1, 2 for 12, and then I'm going to press enter to enter the correct bin number that I want to use. Remember, the enter yes key we talked about earlier was used to answer yes in a question. It can also be used to enter information. I'm at select bin, which again I always call select bin home base. And now I want to advance through the main menu. To advance through the main menu, I'm going to hit the plus key. As I advance through the main menu, I want to stop at load inventory. When I see load inventory, there's a question mark there, so that lets me know there's a question and I need to answer yes or no. In this case, I want to answer yes. So again, I will hit the enter yes key. Now it's asking me for the game ID. The game ID of this particular game is game ID 84. So I'm going to enter 84. And again, as I enter information, I press the enter key. And to confirm that this is game ID 84, I press the enter key again. Now it's asking me the ticket inventory. The ticket inventory for this particular book is 300 tickets. So I want to enter 300 and then press enter. And then I want to press enter again to confirm the amount I've just entered. It's asking me if I'm loading a full pack, and I'm going to answer yes, because again there's a question mark. It's asking me for the ticket size. I've measured this ticket earlier, so I know this is 4 inches long, so I'm going to enter a 4 and then enter. And then I will hit enter again to confirm that amount. Lastly, it's asking me for the ticket value. This particular ticket is a $5 ticket, so I'm going to enter 5 and hit enter. And then I need to hit enter again to confirm the amount. Now the parameters are all loaded and programmed into the instant ticket vending machine.